Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are discussing an important topic: how many fighter jets India has lost over the years and the reasons behind these incidents. Fighter jet losses in India. India has operated a wide range of fighter jets, including the MiG series, Sukhoi Su-30MKI, Mirage 2000, Rafale, and Tejas. However, over the decades, accidents have resulted in the loss of several aircraft due to technical failures, human error, bad weather, and operational missions. Overall fighter jet losses. Over the past 3 decades, the Indian Air Force, IAF, has experienced significant losses. Total aircraft lost, 534. Total pilots lost, 152. These figures highlight the challenges faced by the IAF in maintaining and operating its diverse fleet. Breakdown by aircraft type. MiG-21, the flying coffin. The MiG-21 has been a cornerstone of the IAF since its induction in 1963. However, it has also been associated with a high number of accidents. Total inducted, over 1,200. Total crashes, over 400 since 1971. Pilot fatalities, more than 170. Civilian fatalities, around 40. These statistics have led to the MiG-21 being colloquially termed the flying coffin. MiG-29, the agile fighter. The MiG-29 has been another vital asset for the IAF. Total inducted, approximately 125. IAF, 80. Indian Navy, 45. Total crashes, 25, 20 by IAF, 5 by Indian Navy. Recent incidents include a crash on the 2nd of September, 2024 in Rajasthan during a night training mission. The pilot ejected safely. Sukhoi Su-30MKI, the modern workhorse. The Su-30MKI is among the most advanced fighters in the IAF's arsenal. Total inducted, 260. Total crashes, 13 since induction in 2002. Fatalities, 3 pilots. The first crash occurred in 2009, with the most recent on the 4th of June, 2024 in Maharashtra. Both pilots ejected safely. Mirage 2000, the versatile multi-role fighter. The Mirage 2000 has served the IAF in various capacities. Total inducted, 50. Total crashes, at least 7. A notable incident occurred on the 1st of February, 2019, when a Mirage 2000 Ti crashed shortly after takeoff in Bengaluru, resulting in the loss of both pilots. Recent trends and measures. In the past 5 years, the IAF has reported 50 military aviation crashes, resulting in 55 fatalities. To address these challenges, the IAF is phasing out aging aircraft. Plans are underway to retire the remaining MiG-21 squadrons by 2025. Upgrading fleet, induction of modern aircraft like the indigenous Tejas light combat aircraft and the acquisition of 36 Dassault Rafale jets. Enhancing training and maintenance, implementing advanced training programs and stringent maintenance protocols to reduce human error and technical failures. Conclusion. The IAF has faced substantial losses over the years, particularly with aircraft like the MiG-21. However, proactive measures, including fleet modernization and improved training, aim to enhance operational safety and effectiveness. Stay tuned for more in-depth analyses of India's defense and aviation sectors. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.